Hey Pill fam, this is Sweetman.eth, aka Sweets the Engineer, and today we're going to be talking a little bit about ChillPill staking. There are two main contracts in ChillPill staking. The first is the Chill token. This is a new ERC20 token inside of the ChillPill ecosystem. And then there is ChillPill staking, the mechanism that you can earn the Chill token. The only way you can earn the Chill token is by staking your ChillPill, and so let's talk about how that works. First, there's the concept of the Chill token. It's an ERC20 and it follows all the normal properties of the EIP20 standard. There's an immutable minter, and so there's only one function, and that's the mint function, which is called to mint new tokens. The only person that can mint new tokens is the minter, which is set immutably when we deploy the Chill token. So whoever the minter is, it can never be changed, can never be modified. We set the minter to the staking contract. That means the only way to mint new Chill tokens is by staking your ChillPill. There's no backdoors for the ChillPill team. There's no hacks for anyone else to come in here and mint their own tokens. I, as the engineer, am not able to mint new tokens. The only way new Chill tokens can get minted is by staking your ChillPill. All of this architecture is non-upgradable, so it's non-rug pullable. You know that these rules are going to stay the same, and there's no way for us to upgrade it and change it. Let's dive into the ChillPill staking. So ChillPill staking in its constructor sets and creates a new Chill token and then sets the minter to address this. Address this is the address of this contract, meaning that the only place where new Chill tokens can be minted is inside of the ChillPill staking. And then you can take a look at some of our other functions like stake, all of our logic for our halvenings, our unstaking logic, our claiming logic, if you want to calculate how much you've earned per second, per day, all of those methods are here. And then the last thing I'll talk through is just our unit tests. We've got lots of unit tests. Some unit tests in the Chill token, some in the native Chill staking, and then we wrote unit tests to test some of the specific mechanisms of each of the halvenings in the Chill token lifecycle. So in the first halvening, some of those specific mechanisms, the second halvening, and the third halvening. When we run those unit tests, everything is passing right now. We're leveraging Forge, which means that all of our unit tests get to be written in Solidity. And all of this code is available for members of the ChillPill ecosystem. So if you're in ChillPill and you're excited about ChillPill staking, it is not out yet. We're finalizing the details with the ChillPill team right now. I just finished up the smart contract, so the next steps are we're going to be deploying this onto testnet, start building out the UI for it, and then we're probably going to bring in some members of the ChillPill ecosystem, some musicians, producers, other music connoisseurs that are interested in testing this out. I'll probably partner with them, walk you through the UI, get some feedback. So if you're interested in testing ChillPill staking, reach out to me or the ChillPill team. You can jump into the ChillPill Discord where Joe is very active and can guide you towards a meeting. Otherwise, you can reach out to us on Twitter at @IamChillPill or myself specifically at Sweetman_eth. Hope this was helpful. Hope you're as excited about ChillPill staking as I am. And this is Sweets, signing off.